life I've barely spoken. Your words have been so broken. I've been under your hypnosis. Why did I sip that potion? I'm so done with holy ghosting.
Today we're doing a little video with the Rustler. Finally got it running with the paddle tires, hobby star motor, and calcification side runner 4. See how it goes. God, this thing is violent. Wow. May not be the fastest, but it's got plenty of power. Just kind of jumped it over the snowbank by mistake. Ah, dang it. Man, I probably look so stupid right now walking through this neighborhood with a camera on my head. My front wheel coming off? Seems like our front wheel's wobbling off a lot. No, I guess it's just the gyro freaking out. Speaking of gyro, I got this Radiolink RC6 GSV2 finally. Pretty nice radio for what you get. I also have it synced up to all my cars, so it's pretty nice. It's got a lot of features. I failed 360. There we go. Well, I love four-wheel drive vehicles. When I had my two-wheel drive Rustler, you couldn't do any stunts. You were just spinning everywhere. Probably been one of the most reliable RCs I've owned too. I just broke a control arm the other day because it was like -3. Otherwise, this thing never breaks. The only time it's broken is because I just didn't do something right. Let's do a little top speed run here. It doesn't have the big tires, so it's not as fast as it should be. I also have ABS on this controller, so like it doesn't lock up the brakes, which is nice. Do a little launch. Spins a lot, but once it gets going, it goes. It also sounds very interesting with these paddle tires. Also, sorry for the wind. I'm basically in the middle of the start of a snowstorm, so it's gonna get pretty bad here soon. Thought I was get some runs in before it gets super bad out. Ah, dang. This is on a 3S LiPo too, and this thing's pretty violent. Still got the stock gearing. It's got 5411. It's just got a 5mm pinion because this motor I got in here is a 550 Hobby Star 3500 kV. And also, if you're shopping for pinions for this car, do not go with the ProTech 11 tooth 32 pitch 5mm, because I put this on here, and even with red thread locker, it just kept coming off. I put this axial pinion. It's meant for a crawler. Just some blue thread locker stays on. Even though ProTech seems like a quality brand, their pinion gears for these 5mm bores. I like their 3.1 millimeter shafts for like the two-wheel drive stuff. That's what I run on my drag car. But for this high-powered four-wheel drive stuff, they do not work. I also just freshly rebuilt the shocks on this car, so it's got nice shocks. It's also got a brand new rear diff because I shredded the old one. Oh, that's nice when you just get a bunch of powder in your face. If I had to say one thing I didn't like about this radio, is the voltage is not accurate. It's supposed to have voltage telemetry, but the voltage telemetry is not accurate at all. It's off by about like 0.4 volts, which is a little annoying, but otherwise the rest of this radio is great. It's also got 1900 feet of range when you got both antennas. This car, I just have a single antenna and I stuffed the other antenna in the receiver box. It still goes plenty far. But on my TRX4, I got dual antennas, and on my drag car, so I have plenty of range. On a drag car, you don't really need plenty of range, but I thought I'd just do it anyway. But it's nice on a crawler, though, because if you were to roll it and it rolls down somewhere, you're able to get plenty of range. Also, I would jump it on the snowbanks, but that's how I broke the control arm last time. And until it warms up, I'm not jumping it. Yeah, another 360 here. That wasn't a very good one. I need to do one more before I end this video. That was a good one. Alright, well there we go. That was just a quick running of the Rustler 4x4. Thought I would do one because I haven't recorded in a while. So, hope you guys did enjoy. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video.